tayo ng homemade pizza. Na-miss ko na gumawa ng pizza. Bacon and ham and pineapple flavor. So, two flavor with lots of mozzarella. So, yummy, yummy. Cheat day na cheat day today. Paano papayat? Cheat day. Walang payat-payat today. Weekend. Oh, bacon and cheese. Yan. Ang ating homemade pizza. Na-miss ko nang gumawa na to. So, gawa tayo. Yan. Yummy. Yan, luto na ating pizza. Ooh. So yummy. Look at that. Bacon, and the other one is ham and pineapple. Parang Hawaiian. Yummy, yummy. I'll show you. Smells good. That. Ito yung parang Hawaiian style. Ham and cheese and pineapple. And this one is bacon and cheese. Oh, excited na ako. Enjoy natin to. Enjoy. Yeah. So, yummy, yummy. Iba talaga pag homemade. Makakapili ka ng gusto mong ilagay. Oh. Mainit pa. Wow. Yummy. That's it. So, yummy, yummy, yummy. Ito. Wow. Yun. Yan. Ito naman. Yun. Cheesy. Yummy, yummy. Super yummy. Ang init. Ooh. Sarap pa? Good.
Talo pa yung Domino's.
Kain tayo. Talo? Domino's?
Kain po.
So, first customer ko sa aking cafe, bar.
Ang ng customer niyo.
First customer. Reserve yan. Sa'yo. Ang cute na. Ang cute na.
May bisita po kayo ngayon?
Bisita ko? Ikaw. Ikaw ang bisita ko.
Hindi, iba po.
Wala.